how ready is the Philippines for nuclear power?
We were ready 40 years ago. We had an entire cadre of operators. We have the regulator, the PAEC. It was abolished by Cory. If we did it 40 years ago, can we not do it again today? We have computers today. We have the internet today. We have simulators today. We didn't have that 40 years ago. So why can't we do it? What's our problem? You don't even have to be an engineer to be an operator. You need to be a certified operator. You only need to be an engineer to be a shift supervisor in a nuclear power plant. So, the thinking that we need scientists is bullshit. Firstly, I don't want scientists in my nuclear power plant. Why? I don't want experiments being done in my nuclear power plant. Would you accept a scientist to be the pilot of your PAL flight to Manila? Baka mag-eksperimento yun. Mag-crash yung aeroplano nyo. Di ba? Mali. Certified operator is what we need.